Good morning, sharpeners. Questions and answers in 60 seconds. Somebody called in and asked how to use the scissor pliers kit. They were designed for tensioning tapered screws. This particular shear is loose. What we're going to do is choose a screw tip that best fits your screw. Put it in the pliers. It is held in place by a rare earth magnet that's at the end of this screw. Then you want to adjust the screw height, bit height, so it best holds onto the shear and screw and your handle grip is comfortable. Then you can tension. Till you've got the tension that you desire. It also comes with Loctite that you may want to put in the drop on the back. Hold your setting in place. Thank you for calling.